Entrance, beautiful 2-bedroom apartment. Closet, another closet here. It's the entrance. It's the living room. Hardwood floors, big window, high ceilings. Kitchen, small bedroom is down there. Kitchen is here, all renovated. Tile floors, window in the kitchen, a dining table maybe. New stove, new refrigerator. Another closet here. It's the bathroom on the right. Big bathroom, everything's renovated. Huge bedroom. 2 windows and 2 big closets here. Big closets. That's another one. Closets here. Bathroom, living room, kitchen. That's the smaller bedroom.